Hi everyone, this is Jingo, and in this video, ang ipakikita ko sa inyo ngayon is how to set up your tracking events. Meron na po akong video na ginawa nito noon, but Facebook keeps changing its interface, so nabago na po yung loob ng Business Manager. And if you are going to refer to that video, maaaring maligaw na kayo kasi iba-iba na po yung pwesto ng mga buton dito. So, I just updated into latest version para hindi po kayo malito at hindi kayo maligaw. Okay. Now, on your Business Manager's dashboard, you need to go here sa Business Tools and then go to Events Manager, go to Settings. Okay. Ano ba itong mga tracking events? Ito pong tracking events are the actions that the visitors are performing inside our websites. So, ito yung mga tao na nag-click ng purchase, yung mga button doon, nag-click ng initiate or nag-initiate ng checkout, or yung mga taong nag-add ng payment info, yung mga taong nag-add sa wishlist para sa mga e-commerce, yung mga tao na nag-submit ng kanilang mga application or nag-submit ng kanilang mga details and so on and so forth. So, ito-track natin yon para madali po natin magawan ng mga audiences at ma-retarget natin later on. Now, pupunta po kayo dito. You need to scroll it down and then you have to go to Open Event Setup Tool. And then you will click that. Ang kukunin ko po ay yung sales page ng isang book. So, ito siya. Okay. Ang gagawin ko lang is I'm gonna grab the URL, copy it, paste it here. And then, click the open website. A window will pop up. And this window, ito na po yung makakatulong sa atin para mag-set up. If we will click the Track New button, papakita niya po sa atin yung mga buttons na pwede nating set upan ng event. So this one says, yes, I want to order. So this will be an initiate checkout. And there's another one over here na pareho din niya. So, okay, wait. So ayan, yes please, I want to buy the book. This button is also going to initiate a checkout. Now, we're going to track these buttons. Ito muna. And then, we will select an event and that's initiate checkout. So, nakita nyo, marami kayong pwedeng pagpilian. Okay? So, whatever event that is that you want, ay pwede pong mapili dyan. So, we click initiate checkout. And then, we're not going to choose a value on this first. Kasi po, hindi pa to bumili. So, we cannot say na pwede na nating iset up na ang value nitong page na to o nitong button na to is 497 pesos. Kasi, hindi pa to bumili. Nag-initiate pa lang. So, we'll not put value in here. We'll just say, don't include value. And then, of course, PHP 4 pesos. And then confirm. So, meron na to. Now, there's another button and we're going to track it too. There. And then, initiate checkout. Don't include value. PHP and then confirm. Pwede rin naman po na i-track itong buong URL. Ang gagawin lang natin dito is click here. And then, lalabas ito. And then, you can select an event. But because this is not specific, dahil buong URL yung ating ito-track, you cannot say na this is an initiate checkout event. Kasi, what if they did not click the button? So, pwedeng view content, no? So, we're going to just click view content. Don't include value. Then, PHP, of course, kahit walang value, you can choose more, but, well, the only option that I can think of is PHP, and then confirm. So, that is how we track events. na-set up na po natin yung para dito, and that's how you do it. So, I'm just going to finish it up and just click submit. And done. So that's it. That's how you set up a tracking event. This is Coach Jingo, and I'll see you next video.
Whoa.